Look, if you're tired of being a slave to your alarm clock and want to make money online with a real online business, then pay attention to this video because I'm about to reveal 7 proven ways to make money online, including a few you haven't heard of, so let's jump right in. Drop servicing is a business model that allows you to tap into the skills and expertise of others to provide valuable services to customers and make money online. Drop servicing involves offering a service like design or marketing to a client on behalf of another person or company. So essentially, the person offering the service acts as a middleman, outsourcing the work to another provider and marking up the cost to the client. The service provider is paid the price they're happy with, while the drop servicer earns the rest as profit. And drop servicing is a standard business model in the digital and online services space, and it can allow people without any specialized skills or experience to start offering services to clients. There are thousands of potential niche service and marketing combinations, and the possibilities are really endless with drop servicing. So how do you get started making money online with drop servicing? First, you need to find a high ticket service on Fiverr.com. There are countless you can potentially sell. Next, you build a website where you list that service. And finally, you can use any one of dozens of marketing methods to get your first sale. Amazon FBA is another proven way to make money online. Here are 5 simple strategies for making bank with Amazon FBA. First, private label your products. This involves sourcing a product from a manufacturer, slapping your branding on, and selling it under your brand name on Amazon. So the margins can be huge, and the sky's really the limit when scaling your business. Next, you can try your hand at retail arbitrage. This is the art of finding products at a discounted price and flipping them for a profit on Amazon. You have online clearing sales and liquidation websites, which are ripe for the picking, but don't sleep on in-store opportunities. Just scan barcodes and check prices on Amazon to find hidden gems. And if you want to go big or go home, wholesale is the way to go. So you can buy products directly from manufacturers in bulk and resell them on Amazon for a profit. This strategy requires some capital up front, but the payoff can be huge. And dropshipping is another excellent option. I mean, it eliminates the need to handle and store products. You can simply take orders on Amazon and place the same order with your supplier, who then ships directly to the customer. Starting with Amazon FBA is easy, okay? Simply set up a seller account and list your products for sale, but the real work does begin when you're optimizing your listings and using Amazon advertising tools to drive sales. One thing that not many people know about Amazon FBA is that it's not just limited to physical products. So Amazon also offers an FBA program for sellers of digital products such as ebooks, music, and videos. And this program, called FBA Digital, allows sellers to store and deliver digital products that are delivered directly to customers via the Amazon platform, giving them access to the same benefits as sellers of physical effects, such as increased visibility and improved customer service. Dropshipping is a game-changing method that allows you to run a profitable e-commerce business without needing a physical inventory. So you don't have to stock any products, you don't have to handle shipments, and you can save time on storage. So here's the deal. Dropshipping is all about finding the right supplier and promoting the hell out of your store. Here's how you do it. First, you need to find a reliable supplier with a good track record who offers the product you want to sell. Only settle for the best. You need a supplier that will have your back and deliver high quality products. Now it's time to set up your store. So this is where the magic happens, okay? We recommend platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce for their flexibility, scalability, and ease of use. So your store is obviously your online storefront, and it has to look good, be user-friendly, and sell like crazy, right? So once your store is set up, it's time to list your products and promote them. You need people to know that your store exists and that you have the best products out there. So use social media platforms like Google Ads, Bing Ads, and Facebook Ads to drive traffic to your store and ensure that you're getting in front of the right audience. So the orders will then start coming in, and this is really where it gets fun. When a customer orders, you forward the order and shipping information to your supplier, who ships the product directly to the customer. And boom, you just made a sale without handling any inventory. Finally, and this is crucial, you need to provide excellent customer service. It's the final touch that will make or break your business. So you need to make sure that your customers are happy, and if they're not, you must make it right. But dropshipping is really the future business model, and it's accessible to anyone with an internet connection. So it's time to stop playing small and start thinking big. Dropshipping does have endless possibilities, but you must be willing to work and take action. So one thing not many people know about dropshipping is that it can be done on different marketplaces other other than your own website. Like I mentioned earlier, you can use marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and even social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok offer dropshipping business options. So this allows you to sell products through established marketplaces and take advantage of their existing customer base and visibility. Another thing that people need to learn about dropshipping is that it's not just limited to small items, okay? It's also possible to dropship large items such as furniture, appliances, and even vehicles. These items typically require special handling and shipping arrangements. Still, this is achievable with the help of a specialized freight forwarder or logistic provider. Affiliate marketing can be a powerful strategy. It allows you to make money by promoting products or services by getting paid for each sale you generate. So here's the plan of attack. First, find a niche you're passionate about, something that you eat, sleep, and breathe, and it could be anything from health and wellness to personal finance to technology. The key is to choose something that you know inside out, because once you have your niche, it's time to find products or services to promote. You can find affiliate programs through networks such as ShareASale, Commission Junction, or Amazon Associates, or you can just reach out directly to companies and inquire about their affiliate programs. The next step is to create a platform, a website, a blog, or a YouTube channel. This is where you'll promote your affiliate products and build your audience. Now it's time to start creating killer content that promotes your affiliate products, and at the end of the day provides value to your audience. So this could be in the form of blog posts, product reviews, or tutorials, and then you'll have your content. It's time to promote it and drive traffic to your platform. So you can utilize SEO, social media, email marketing, paid advertising, all of these things to get your content in front of as many people as possible. Finally, you want to track your results, right? Measure your success and optimize your efforts. You can use tools like Google Analytics to track traffic and conversions and adjust your strategy as needed. And one thing that not many people may know about affiliate marketing is that it's not just limited to promoting physical products. I mean, affiliate marketing can also be done for digital products such as software, ebooks, online courses, and memberships. And these products offer the advantage of being easy to deliver, handle, and allow recurring commissions, which can benefit the affiliate, right? And another thing that not many people know about affiliate marketing is that it can be done through different platforms, not just websites, because with the rise of social media, many influencers and creators use platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube to promote affiliate products and earn commissions. YouTube can be a great way to make money online by creating content that people want to watch and then monetizing that content through different methods. So here's how you can get started. To create a YouTube channel, you'll need to have a channel to make money on YouTube. You can do this by signing up for a free account on YouTube and setting up your channel, and then you want to create good content because content is king. So this could be in videos, vlogs, tutorials, or anything else that aligns with your niche. Next, you want to optimize your channel. So once you've got your channel set up and your content created, it's time to optimize things, and this will make it easy for people to find your videos. This includes optimizing your channel art, the video titles, descriptions, and tags for SEO, and monetize your content, right? There are several ways to monetize your content on YouTube. The most popular method, of course, is Google AdSense, which allows you to place ads on your videos and earn money for each view. You can also earn money through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. So once you've got your content set up and created, you want to promote your channel. So you can use social media, reach out to content creators, and collaborate with other YouTube channels in your niche. You want to track your performance as well with YouTube Analytics, which allows you to track your channel's performance and see how well your videos are doing, okay? Use this data to optimize your content, improve your channel's visibility, and keep track of your earnings. So it's important to know as well that making money on YouTube takes time, effort, and patience. The next thing to consider is creating an audiobook on Audible. So Audible is an Amazon-owned platform that sells and produces audio content. You don't need any ideas for a topic or special knowledge or even to create the audiobook yourself. With audiobooks being popular as listeners can listen to them while they're on the go, your audiobook has the potential to reach a large audience and generate more income. So here's how to get started. Research a topic that's doing well on Audible, hire a writer on Fiverr to create the book, hire a narrator on ACX or Professional Studio to record the audiobook, edit and proof the audiobook for quality, then upload it to Audible through ACX and market it effectively to maximize your income. There are also several ways to make money on Airbnb without owning real estate. So here are a few options. Renting out a spare room, which you can just list on Airbnb and rent it out to guests. This is a great way to make extra money if you have a spare room and okay with sharing your space. Or you could manage properties for homeowners. Just look for homeowners who might be interested in having their property on Airbnb and offer your services as a property manager. You can also become an Airbnb experience host by listing and providing unique experiences like tours, cooking classes, or workshops, and this option doesn't require any physical space and allows you to capitalize on your skills and passions. You can also become a co-host, which basically means that you help an Airbnb host with guest communications, managing bookings, and coordinating cleaning services. Now listen, here's 3 quick things that will help you make money online. First, remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell right now, and comment below any questions you have for me, and I'll personally answer you. If you want to go a bit deeper into how I personally make money online, check out the free training in the description below this video. Otherwise, click this video you see on screen here, watch that one, and I'll see you over in the next video.